Yes.
Can I share my screen or introduce myself?
First, introduce yourself and then share your screen.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Deepa Godse. I am from Pune. I have completed DBA in 2022. Also completed the data analysis courses, and I am fresh. Thank you.
Okay, you have applied for data analytics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any past experiences in internships?
No, ma'am. Actually, I done some internship, but it's only 1 day internship, not monthly. So I am not considering in internship.
Do you have any projects?
Yes, I have one project.
Please share your screen and show me your projects.
Okay. Visible to all of you? Ma'am, it's visible or not?
No, it's not visible. Samyak, can you check what is wrong? Our
Uh,
screen is not yet shared. Yeah,
Now
it's visible now.
it's visible. Okay. My project name is Visda Store Annual Report 2022. In this project, I analyze trend of business. Sorry, what happened, ma'am?
Who is that? Mute yourself. Who is that? Yes, please continue.
Okay, thank you. My project name is Vrinda Store Annual Report 2022. In this project, I analyze trend of business development. I use Excel for this project, and I clean data using filters and okay, just minute. Huh. I use filter and slicer options वगैरह in that for cleaning data, and I use some conditions and formulas for create some columns which I
Okay,
want
okay,
for
okay.
graph.
It's all right, all right. You can stop it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop your screen sharing. And I have to ask you, did you from which platform did you apply?
Uh, just 1 minute, ma'am. Give me some minute. Mm, yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
From which platform did you apply?
I apply for data analysis and apply on LinkedIn and Naukri.com, Internshala.
Okay, you applied through Internshala.
Yes.
Okay, so did you apply for paid or unpaid?
I apply for paid internship.
So how much are you expecting?
Uh, Salary is not important for me, ma'am. Actually, I want to develop my skills, and in my skill regarding to your company policy and my skills, you whatever give me, I accept happily.
So are you ready for unpaid internship?
Actually, no, ma'am. Unpaid, not unpaid. I just want some money for travels and that, not like unpaid.
Okay, so then how much will you be expecting?
Mm, 10K.
It's too much. We won't offer more than 1500.
1,500. Too less, ma'am.
Based on your experience, I don't think you should be expecting something.
Yes.
So are you ready for unpaid internship?
Mm, Yes, I am ready for that.
Okay, thank you. Is there any questions?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
have any questions for me?
No, ma'am.
And how many months are you available?
6 months, ma'am.
And when will you be joining?
Immediately.
Okay, thank you. You can leave the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Abhishek Darak.
Yes, ma'am. Just a second. Just,
Hello.
ma'am, my screen is. Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, you are.
Shreya,
Yeah.
Shreya, excuse me. Can I have small doubt like, hello?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
tell me.
Yeah. Can I know like why this live is going on YouTube? Like,
It's for company purposes. Okay,
okay. Yeah. I just want to clear that is why I am asking.
it's all right.
Yeah.
It's for company purposes.
Okay.
Yes, Abhishek Darak. Can you
Yes,
turn on
ma'am.
your video? Yeah.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Uh, Good evening, ma'am. Myself, Abhishek Darak. I have done my BTech in Information Technology from Thadomal Shani, Engineering College, Mumbai, Bandra. I have done one internship in Bond Bazaar. Basically, it was a finance-based internship. In that, I have done the role of event management, give business insights, and also perform back office operations. And yeah, and I have skill sets in C language, SQL, ML, yeah, and Java. Yes.
Okay. So what exactly the role did you do in your past internship?
Basically, it was of back office operations and some finance related stuff like data entry and all. I have done there.
Okay.
Like
So,
managing the events of the societies and all.
so what role did you apply now?
I applied for data analytics.
Okay. Do you have any project or any PDF to show about that shows us your
Yes,
experience?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just a second. Wait. Ma'am, is my screen visible now?
Yes, yes.
Just as. So basically, this is the project that I have done. Uh, so it was a group project. I have done the project in fake news detection system. So the basic problem statement of the project was that we wanted to create a system which would be able to detect fake news whenever it was given. So it is not a dynamic project, but it is a static project. So basically, because we didn't get an API which can for free did the work, so we only done static project. So static project, we had a data set, and this is the problem statement. Like uh, to address the issues and all. And then we did the literature review. So we basically compared various technologies which would be used, and we compared them based on the percentage of efficiency that they brought to the fake news detection system.
Okay. You can stop sharing the screen. Okay.
Just
Yeah. So about data analytics, right? So what was your contribution in this project particularly?
like I was there in literature review. Like I have contributed in each and every field. Like I have made also the machine learning model. Yeah, I have also worked in the front end also. Means we three we had a we it was a group project. We had three people, and each and everyone did everything together. Like we used to do a Zoom meet, and we used to contribute. Like they lived a far
Okay.
apart. Yeah.
Okay. So through which platform did you apply?
I think I applied from Internshala or LinkedIn, any of the two. I
Okay.
applied from Internshala.
Okay. So uh was it an unpaid internship or paid internship?
Yeah, no, it was a paid internship. I got 9,000 per month. It was actually on site.
Okay.
I
So
regularly go to office here.
so what I asked is, through Internshala, did you apply for an unpaid internship or a paid internship?
Paid.
Okay. So how much are you expecting?
Like minimum 5,000.
So we can't promise you more than 2,000. Okay.
Okay.
So are you okay with that?
Yeah, ma'am, it will be fine for no issues.
Okay. So how many months are you available?
I am available for 6 months, right?
6 months. And when can you join?
I can join immediately.
Okay, done.
Like means 2 to 3 days after. Like immediately means 2 to 3 days after.
Okay. So how many hours can you work per day?
Like 5 to 6 hours. I can 5 hours.
Okay. You can leave the meeting now. Thank you. We
Okay,
can
ma'am.
contact you later. Yeah. Have a
Okay.
good day.
Yeah.
So those who have joined later, I'm sending a Google link form in the chat box. So fill up the form and write submitted in the chat box. Okay. Then only I can call your names. Pankaj Kumar.
Hello.
Yes. Turn on your video.
Hello, good afternoon. I am audible, ma'am.
Yes, you're audible. Can you turn on the video? Introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Pankaj Kumar. I have completed my graduation in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida in 2022. And after after graduation, I joined Coding Ninjas, full web development. I joined Coding Ninja full stack web development course. Entire my entire my education journey, I have done my so many projects from Coding Ninjas and as well as from my college. Uh, my I learned so many skills in Java, Python, CSS, HTML, etc.
Did you have any past experiences?
No, ma'am, I have no experiences. I told you, I joined Coding Ninja web development course after my graduation, and I have done so many projects.
So show me any projects that you have done. And
Okay,
if you have not followed any training with your courses, which domain did you apply for? Pankaj Kumar. I'm asking which domain did you apply for? Those who have joined just now, just check the. I've sent a link in the box. So fill the box, okay? Fill the Google form.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, okay, I'm showing my projects.
Explain, you have to explain it also.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Am I audible now? Hello.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I was talking to Pankaj Kumar, right? So, Pankaj Kumar, which domain did you apply for? Pankaj Kumar, are you there? This is my last call. Are you there? Abhishek Kumar Dubey.
Hello,
Abhishek Kumar Dubey. Yeah,
ma'am.
introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Abhishek Kumar Purve and I am pursuing my BTech from Dr. Sudhir Chand Sir Institute of Technology and Sports Campus. I have skilled in C, C++, and I have good knowledge of HTML and I am excited about this internship. This role will be a great opportunity for me to apply my skill and learn more about the industry.
So, which domain did you apply for?
Web development.
Do you have any past experiences or projects that you can show right now?
Ma'am, I have no past experience, but I do only one project.
Yeah, please explain.
Okay, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
turn on your video and share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Can everyone please keep their projects ready? And please explain whatever you are doing.
Ma'am, in this project we can.
You're not
Ma'am,
audible.
hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Now you're audible.
Ma'am, in this project, ma'am, we can do a to-do list. In this project, we can add anything do you want and complete a deadline or delete. I can just like ma'am, hello world, you can complete, you mark it and unmark.
Through which platform did you apply?
Ma'am, web development.
I'm asking through which platform did you apply?
Intersala.
And did you apply for paid or unpaid?
Paid.
So how much are you expecting?
5K.
Can you repeat?
5K. 5K, ma'am. 5,000.
So I'm asking, so I just wanted to say that we are not offering more than 2,000.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Ayara. My voice is audible? Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
I'll be back in just a second, guys. Just wait.
Okay.
Are you present? Last
Ye-
call,
ye-
Abhishek Kumar.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, I was talking about like, did you apply for paid or unpaid?
Paid, ma'am.
Yes. How much are you expecting?
5K.
5K. So you have no internship experience.
No, ma'am.
So, okay, let me tell you, I'm not offering more than 2K.
Okay, ma'am. I am comfortable with it.
And based on your experience, I'm offering you 1500. Is that okay for you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done. You can leave the meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you there, Abhishek? Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So one more question I wanted to ask you. How many hours will you be available per day?
Ma'am, 6 to 7 hours.
And from when will you join the internship?
3rd August.
Yes,
3rd August.
3rd August. Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You can leave the meeting. Have a good day.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Nitish, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah. Can you turn
I
on
have
your
one
video?
doubt. Wait a minute. I have one doubt. Is this internship for only for a web developer or a game developer?
Actually, this is a revised link. Those
Okay.
who have not joined the main link or who are
Uh-huh.
not available,
Uh-huh.
so those people have joined here. So that's why I'm asking, which domain did you apply for?
Okay. I am applied for game developer role.
Okay. So tell me about yourself.
Tell me, sir. Okay, I am Nitish Kumar. I am coming from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So last year I completed my degree BSc Electronics and Communication, and currently I am working on internships like game developing internship and freelancing. I'm developing some games like called it's a multiplayer game and casual games, endless runner game, and some sort of games and multiplayer, mostly multiplayer games. Are you there?
Yes, I am. So
Yeah.
do you have anything to show us?
What?
Do you have anything to show us?
Yeah, if you want, I will share my one of my project. Wait a minute. I want to share. Screens. Okay. Screen, my entire screen. Share. Is my screen is visible for you?
Yeah.
Uh, this is one of my multiplayer game called Age of Flashes. It's a player versus player games. Like I will show you. It's compelling. Mm.
Yeah.
Here, what I've been done is it's a 1v1 game. We have two bases. So I will play a tutorial for you, so it's easy to you understand. Okay. Uh, this is our base. Here, what we're going to do is just we need to capture the opponent base by attacking from our side. We can construct building over here, and okay, this mission will come later. Okay, these are the opponent groups. The group and capture the base. That's our game. It's now I'm showing you one of the tutorials. Is there is lots of tutorials there. In this fourth tutorial, we need to capture the whole base. The base is fully constructed, and we need to capture the base by forming ourselves. And wait a minute. turn off something called. Okay, prompt one, turn off this thing. Okay, here it is. I can form the militia. My army is there. My farmers is there. I can upgrade my building to second level, and these are the one is the gold mine, one is the farm. Is the my main base is this. So I can upgrade it and you know Age of Empires.
Okay, okay. You can stop sharing the screen. Okay.
Okay,
So now, did you apply for paid or unpaid?
paid internship.
And through which platform did you apply?
Chintan Sala.
Okay. Um, can you can you tell me how much you are expecting?
Uh, you said you only offer 2K only.
Yes.
So I am asking the same amount 2K.
Okay. Good. Also, can you tell me when can you join?
When you join means you join from Monday is okay for you?
Okay,
Coming
sure.
Monday. Hmm.
Okay. And per day, how many hours can you work?
What is the time shift you want me to work?
It's not like that. It's flexible. So
Okay, then it's fine.
per day, how many hours can you work? Yeah.
I will work in night shift. It's okay for you?
I cannot say that. Your mentor will say that. So just tell me roughly how many hours can you work so that I can keep a track on it.
5 to 6 hours night.
5 to 6 hours, right? Uh, is there any questions that you want to ask me?
Yeah. What are the work you assigned to me?
Okay. I'm not related to game development domain right now,
You
so
are
you
going
will be
to assign a
assigned.
task that's not related to game development.
No, 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 no.
Huh?
I'm
Then?
not. Listen. I'm not your mentor. You will be when you
Okay.
join the company, you will be
Mhm.
assigned a mentor, you will be assigned a team, and then they will assign you the task. Okay? They will
Okay.
guide you, they will assign. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not the one who is going to assign you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. You
Thank
can
you,
leave the
Mr.
meeting now.
Yeah.
Thanks. Nikita Patil.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Uh,
Introduce yourself.
yes, ma'am.
Introduce yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity to giving myself.
Can
And my name is
you
Nikita
turn?
Padidar.
Okay. Can you just stop for a minute? Can you turn on your video?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And anyone who is here, let me tell you beforehand, if you're giving an interview, you have to turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can
My
say.
name is Nikita Padidar. I am from Agar Malwa, and I have completed my BCA from Sanskar College of Professional Studies, Indore, and now I am pursuing MCA from LNCT University.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do have any past experiences, internships, or any
No,
projects that you can talk?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Any projects that you can talk?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
I have one project. Ma'am, I have project on Earwise Search Amazon Global Project. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, share the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Year-wise sale, Amazon Global Project, year-wise sales. In this project, I will do bottom 5 profit by product and top 5 profit by product. Year-wise sales Amazon, and in 2012, bottom 5 product what, and top 5 product what, and profit by customer name also. 2012, in this year 2013 sales projection 2.68 mil, and sales by segment, sales by market. 2012, 2013, 2014 or 2015. Profit by customer name in 2015 to profit by Rai.
Can you share the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Share the screen. Show me the project that you have done.
Ma'am, can we show? Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Show me.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Year-wise sales Amazon Global Project. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm asking. Can you please explain the project?
Yes, ma'am. Year-wise sales Amazon Global Project in 2012, vertical profit and top bottom 5 profit by product. Julio Crite, Grand Thome, and Hallery Gold, and also top 5 profit in this project. In year-wise sales, so in 2012, sales projection, sales by segment, and profit by customer name. What customer name profit in this global project? So in 2012, profit by customer name Sanjay Chand, Elipta Wright, and Carol Edmonds, and Nath Mods, and
Okay,
also
okay.
bottom 5 profit by project.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you applied for data analyst, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So through which platform did you apply?
Ma'am, Intenshala.
Okay.
Yes,
So you applied for paid or unpaid?
paid, ma'am.
How much are you expecting?
Ma'am, 6K to 8K.
Okay. We are not offering more than 2K, and since you don't have any experience, do you take the unpaid internship?
Yes, ma'am. I am comfortable.
Are you comfortable with unpaid internship?
No, ma'am. In 2K.
Okay, you are comfortable with 2K.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And since from when can you join?
Ma'am, immediately.
Okay. And how many hours can you work per day?
4 to 5 hours.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Who is this? Who is this?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Who was that?
Ma'am, Ashish Chagnade.
Okay. I guess you did not respond to my call back then.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I am not audible.
You are audible, but
Yeah.
why did you not respond to the call back then?
No, ma'am, I fill up a form, so
Okay, so you should have told me, right?
yeah, ma'am.
Now wait until I call the name. Nikita Patidar, you can leave the meeting. You're done with the interview, right? Now,
Hello, ma'am.
yes.
I'm Anand this side. Is there any form to fill up before
Okay. You
interview
joined right
process?
now. Did you join
Yeah,
just now?
actually, I joined at 7:55, so I didn't know about
Okay,
that.
okay. Those who don't know about the form, I
Yeah,
sent the link in the description. Sorry, in the chat box.
chat box. Yeah.
You can fill you can fill the form.
So before interview, we need to fill the form. Is that
Yes, you have
mandatory,
to.
right?
Yeah, it is mandatory. Next, uh, Chitriya V.
Yes, ma'am.
Chitriya V.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Turn on your video. Introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Ma'am, I am Chitriya V from Avinash University. Currently pursuing BE Computer Science Engineering, third year. And with a strong passion for web development and a keen interest in building user-friendly and efficient web applications. Ma'am, I have basic foundation in web technologies, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and expanding my skills in machine learning. Recently, I have completed and project, ma'am. It was selected in IITM incubation cell. And I was attended the finals. I presented my project in finals. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you can tell me.
And I am keenly working to develop my skills and gain knowledge in this internship. I'm excited to attend this interview and attend this internship, ma'am.
Okay. You don't have any past experiences, right?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have any past experience in internships and work, ma'am. And this is my first
Okay.
internship.
Okay. Can you tell me which domain did you apply for? Web development, right?
Web development, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can continue. You can continue to show your project.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Share your screen and show your project.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible? Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
Ma'am, my project is mitigating bird and animal damage to crops, ma'am. It's what like in our country there are major damage to agricultural crops due to birds and animals, ma'am. To mitigate it, we have designed and prototype, ma'am. And with my, I have done this project as a teamwork, ma'am, and I am the team lead. Um, and this is our scope of our project, ma'am. Our problem is animals and birds interference in the agricultural land, ma'am. And our solution is IoT based model to detect motion of animals and birds using sensors and deter them using alarm sound, ma'am. We should not harm that alarm. We should not harm that animal or bird. So we have introduced and buzzer sound, ma'am. And our prototype design, we have Arduino UNO board, Wi-Fi module, and the components. And we use the embedded C for Arduino and ML to feed the animal and bird pictures, ma'am. And we have used a third-party app, Blink. It is used to Blink. It is an IoT app, and first we don't have much amount, so we have done an Blink. We have used that third-party app. so that we can minimize our project amount. In that Blink app, we can show the farmers that animal and bird detection. And this is our sensors used, ma'am. PAR sensor used to detect the motion and birds motion of birds and animal, and DHT11 sensor used to detect temperature for soil moisture, and the raindrop sensor rainfall. This also used to in IoT Blink app, ma'am. For farmers, whenever rain comes, farmer will indicate it, ma'am. And soil moisture sensor is used
Chitriya,
yes, ma'am.
very good. Yeah, you can start sharing the screen. I understood. Now, okay. Are you okay that are you
I have
okay
the
being
project code and the prototype design, ma'am. And
yes,
hello,
Chitriya,
ma'am.
got it.
And
Yeah,
I presented the IIT-MIC Build to Innovate certificate and our app features, ma'am. It can tell when the bird and animal detected and repelled, and temperature, humidity, and soil moisture.
okay, I got you. Please
Yes,
stop
ma'am.
sharing the screen for now.
And
Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
okay. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
did you apply for unpaid internship?
Yes, ma'am. I am applied for unpaid internship.
Okay. So, through which platform did you apply?
Internshala, ma'am. And my friend also applied there, and she's the
Hello,
she's
you're stuck
attending data
actually.
analyst internship, ma'am. And she guided me.
Okay, it's okay. Uh, so
Hello,
per
ma'am.
day,
Is
how
audible?
many hours? Yeah, per day, how many
I applied
hours
through
are you
Internshala, ma'am.
available? Okay, per day, how many hours you are available?
Ma'am, I will available till 4 to 5 hours, ma'am.
Okay, 4 to 5 hours. And then, when can you join the internship?
Immediately, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions for me?
Ma'am, and further process for the attending the internship, how can we join, ma'am?
We'll contact you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you so much,
you.
ma'am.
Have a good day. You can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priyank Jain. Priyank Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you fill the form?
Yes. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you fill the form?
Yes, ma'am. I filled it.
Yeah.
Should I start with introduction?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Priyank Jain. Basically, I'm from Bhopal. I have done MBA from Prestige Institute of Management and Research Indore. After that, I have worked for almost 1.5 years in Prisma Johnson Limited, where I work as a technical sales executive. From where I have learned certain skills like critical thinking, planning, team management, and after that, due to some medical issue, I have to unfortunately leave the organization. After that, I have pursued my data science course, which was naturally for me to take this decision because I have also done a data analytics course in my MBA. Uh, and thanks, ma'am. Should I show my screen?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. So, ma'am, this is my project mm, where I have made a propensity model. The objective of the project was to develop a model that forecasts the likelihood of customers reacting to the several marketing campaign. So in this, I got a data of two type train CSV, which was contain a historic data of customers, and second was the test CSV, which is the prospect customer, which will
which have the prediction data on which I have to predict it. And also I have done a data cleansing for some data like customer age, which was missing. So I have used a for median to make it proper. And schooling, where the school name was not available, so I have used the mode function day of the week, which I uh, title as the unknown, and p days for -1, so it does not give me a outlier.
Okay.
So modeling, I use a logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, and XGBoost. This is my test test result of this. These are the charts, and this is the it is loading. This is the whole coding of the in Python. I mean coding plus deep learning, machine learning.
Okay.
These are the various tests which I have done in this. Uh, Also, this is the chart which I made in Python itself. And this is tree chart. Random forest classifier. That's all, man.
Okay. Uh, you don't have any past internship experience, right?
Ma'am, in not particularly in data field.
Okay. So, are you okay with an unpaid internship?
Ma'am, actually I applied for a paid one from Intershala.
Since you don't have any experience, I guess I have to offer you an unpaid internship.
Ma'am, but I have a certification course of data science, which I've done for almost 6 months. And also I have done MBA in data analytics. Plus, this is project which, because of that, I got this certificate.
Okay. So, is it okay if we offer you 1,000 rupees per month?
No, ma'am, it will not work. Actually, I have to shift it to Pune, so it will be very difficult for me.
So, how much are you expecting?
Ma'am, minimum 5,000.
It's not possible because we are not offering more than 2,000. And since you don't have any experience, it will be harder than that. It will be harder to pay 5,000.
Yes, ma'am, but I have knowledge regarding this. Actually, this is my individual project which I have done, and before that, I was learning in upgrade only. So
But still, we are not
I
offering more
have to
than
not
2,000.
start from okay, ma'am. So yes, ma'am, I will work from in this only then.
Uh, you can work for 1,000?
Ma'am, 2,000.
Okay, done. Thank you. Can you tell me how many hours are you available per day?
Ma'am, 5 hours.
5 hours. And uh, you applied through Internshala, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
And do you have any when can you join?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
uh,
immediately, ma'am.
Sajid Mohammed, Sajid Mohammed, I'm not talking to you.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
talking to Priyank Jain. You
ma'am,
can mute
10th
yourself.
of 10th of August.
10th August. Okay.
Yeah. And ma'am, also I can also increase my working hours.
Okay,
Not 5.
then you
I
can.
can do it for 7 to 8 hours.
Okay, 7 to 8 hours. Okay,
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Okay, we'll contact you later. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt that there is in the
Yeah.
form there is a TPO name and TPO phone number. What does this
Okay,
TPO
you
means?
can write a name. You can write a name. You don't have to be bothered by that.
Okay,
You can write a
yeah,
name. Okay?
it's fine.
Yeah.
I'm done with.
Uh, okay, I'll tell you when it's your turn. Okay? Um,
Sure.
for the ones who have joined just now, I've sent the link, form link in the chat box again. Fill the form and wait until I call your name. Okay? Uh, Avinash Gorthi. Is anyone here? Avinash Gorthi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am here from 7 p.m. and I am just waiting. It's 1 hour already, ma'am. My turn is not coming. I don't know why. I have form.
Your turn did come, but you did not answer, so you have to wait.
Ma'am, I didn't hear. Honestly, I didn't hear. Ma'am, I had no. My name is Adarsh, ma'am. I think I hadn't heard my name.
I
Seriously.
did call. You have to wait. I have to
Ma'am,
take
actually,
interview.
ma'am, actually, you were actually inaudible between. I guess that's why. That
I
would be.
understand. I understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just mute yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Abhishek Ji.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
I'm
Turn
Abhishek,
on your
ma'am.
video. Yeah, turn on your video and introduce yourself. Did you fill the form?
Which form, ma'am? Yesterday I got today afternoon I got a
Right
mail,
now,
ma'am. That form.
right now, I sent the
Yes, ma'am.
form in chat box
No,
and
ma'am.
I asked
No,
everyone
ma'am. I
to fill.
didn't fill yet.
Okay. You can fill the form and after that I'll take the interview. Adarsh Nodian.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You can tell me about yourself. Turn on your
Yes.
video.
Am I visible and audible?
Yes.
Okay. Can I do the introduction?
Yes.
So, hello, ma'am. My name is Adarsh Nodiyal. I'm from Delhi, and I have recently completed my graduation of Bachelor's of Computer Application from an GGSS IQ college. And my passion is data analytics, and I'm proficient in SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, and I want to pursue this internship for experience. I have no past experience, so I want to gain some experience, and I have done many projects, and I will show one. I will show one here.
Okay, please.
Can I share?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, the share of 1 minute. Okay, okay. Nothing. Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So, ma'am, I will try to explain the whole project in 1 minute. I will try my best. So basically, my project was employee turnover prediction using machine learning and data analytics. And this is the description, as you can see. So these are the columns, as you can see. So basically, our aim is to develop an effective model, and of course, analyzing the employment turnover, which is high in today's world. So basically, these are the applications used: Python, machine learning, Jupyter, Microsoft Power BI for dashboard, and Microsoft Excel for pivot table. So this is first we have data cleaning. we just see the is null dot sum, so that there is no missing data and everything. We have dropped some columns. Then we have used feature selection, and then we use we compare logistic regression and random forest, and we just to in conclusion we get regression that random forest is superior and has more accuracy. So then after comparison, and now I will show you the dashboard I have created after this model, and these are the numbers. So this is the dashboard, and I will show you in depth. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, I have also used slicing, so that basically we can get accounting. This is the for the accounting period, and this is for HR department, this is for marketing, this is for or management. You can select these much. So this is my dashboard, and this is, and finally on final stage I would say this is the pivot table and bar chart I have made for the depth analysis. Like you can see, this is sum of left and work accident, how many employees left due to work accident, and how many due to left there another reason, any other reason. So this was my project for
Okay.
data analytics.
Okay.
Any further explanation needed?
No, I don't need any further explanation. So how many months are you available?
I am available from 5 to 7 months.
Okay, 5 to 7 months. Okay, that's a good thing. Are you okay with an unpaid internship?
No, I think I'm not okay, but from 1 to 4,000 will be okay for me. As I have no experience, so a good start will be 1 to 4. I understand that I have no experience, that's why we were saying unpaid, but I think 1 to 4 would be a good number. In between any amount will do.
Okay, I'm going to offer you 1,000 per month.
1,500, I think. I think you were saying 2,000 earlier, but 1,500, can it be shifted to
Okay,
1,500?
since you have no experience, then I have to offer you 1,000 per month. You okay with that?
Okay, okay, I have no problem with that. The main thing is
Okay,
experience.
okay, good. Then you applied through Internshala, right?
I have applied through LinkedIn. The posts which are done from LinkedIn, or I think it could be Intentional, but most probably it's from LinkedIn.
Okay,
I have a question. Can I ask?
just a second. I'll when I tell you, you can ask them.
Okay, okay,
You
okay.
can ask.
Sorry.
So, tell me how many hours you are available per day.
5 to 7 hours.
Okay, that's a good thing again. 5 to 7. So when can you join?
I can join from August 4 actually, because I have to go somewhere urgently.
Okay, it's okay. So you had some questions. Tell me.
Yes. Do I think it is a job internship, right? It is not learning. I don't have to pay any amount, right?
No, you don't have to pay any amount.
Yes. And
Uh,
what's the selection process? Like, you will notify me that I'm selected or not from Gmail.
you will get a call, or you also may get a Gmail.
And this is
Okay.
remote. And this is this is a
Yes,
remote
it
internship.
is work from home. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Is there any questions?
No, no.
Okay.
I
So you
appreciate
can leave the
for
meeting.
answering all the questions. Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah. You can leave the meeting now. Have a good day.
Same to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Next, T. Anandra.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a moment.
Tell me about yourself.
Yeah, sure. Am I visible to you?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Sorry for the lighting, as there is a issue we are facing.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is P. Anandrao. Recently done a data science course from Upgrad associated with Triple IT Bangalore. and along with that, I had done a internship with Practo, which is a online doctor assisting platform for which I have done an internship, which was also associated with Triple IT Bangalore, and completed my graduation from RTMNU University and MD College Punjab in BCCA. It stands for Becoming Computer Application, which was a combined course of commerce and IT, which was mainly focuses on computer applications, and done my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Dungarad. I have always been passionate about working with data and leveraging it to solve business problems. Through my course and projects, I have gained expertise in analyzing and extracting insights from various data sets. I've completed few projects so far, which includes bank credit analysis, RSVP movie analysis, shared bike analysis, and Airbnb analysis, which have helped me to hone my skill in data analysis, statistical modeling, and data visualization. I'm constantly seeking new challenges and opportunity to further develop my skill in data analysis and make a meaningful contribution to the field of data science. Thank you.
So, okay. Do you have anything that you can show us right now?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I do have. Just a second.
Yeah.
Thanks. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks. So this is the project. Just a second. I'll directly show you the PPT, which helped me to explain you. So this is a bank credit analysis, risk analysis, where the bank was facing some issue with the clients that they were not uh, completely approving the loan of the bank of the customers because of some issue that they were having very few credit score of the customer and few customers having no credit score. Because of that, they were facing some issue to approve the loan. So for that, we have to make some analysis that on which basis the the bank has to approve the loan for which customers. So this is the project for that purpose only, and this is the case study, and for which we have made some analysis that we have done. We have firstly understand the business requirement. We have understand the business. Secondly, we have understand the data, that what data is. After that, we have do the data cleaning processes and all stuffs. After that, we have done perform an EDA, exploratory data analysis, in which we have to, uh, I mean, we have to do some sort of insights we have to get out of the data while projecting the graphs, which we have done, which I'll show you here as well, along with the insights that we have made. And yeah, and based on that, we have concluded that there is a conclusion as well along with the analysis that
Okay, Anand, you can stop sharing the screen.
yeah.
Understood.
And here is the code. I'll just a minute, please. I'll show you the code as well, and this is the complete code. And if you want to know along with these projects, yeah, I have my personal portfolio as well for my data analysis, by which you can see all of my project except my current project where I'm working on, which was not included in my personal portfolio. But yeah, rest of that you can see. And along with this, I have helped many people for their work, which were actually connected me over the LinkedIn for web scrapping and their personal projects. So, yeah,
Okay, it's okay, it's
that's all.
okay. I got you. Um, can you tell me how many months experience do you have in any internship?
Yeah, for when I was pursuing the course through Upgrad Associated Triple IT Bangalore, there is a opportunity we got for data analyst in Practo for 2 months, where we have now,
Okay.
where they were facing some problem like they were recruiting the people, but they want to know that through which method they were the recruiters. I mean, sorry, through which mode they were recruiting the people who are working efficiently.
Okay,
in their
okay.
company. Yeah.
Understood.
So that.
Understood.
Yeah.
So you have 2 months of experience.
Yeah.
So
And along
did
with
you
that,
offer
I
for
had
unpaid again?
worked on many of the projects. Along with that, I have helped many of the people who reached me over via LinkedIn. So I have helped them as well for their projects.
Okay. Are you did you apply for paid or unpaid?
Yeah, actually, I applied for paid only.
Paid.
Yeah,
So how much are you expecting?
I'm expecting as of uh, the skills I have and experience of 10K approx.
Uh, 10K is not what we're offering. We're not offering more than 2K. Are you
Uh,
okay with that?
I'm sorry.
We are not offering more than 2K. So are you okay with 2K?
Mm, Can you offer me a bit better than the 2K? I mean, the 4 approx. If you can offer that, that was also quite good as of now, because I have the all the required skills, and I have not only in Python, also in Excel, SQL, Power BI. I mean,
I
Power
do
BI as of now,
understand.
I'm learning as of now, but in Tableau as well, yeah, in
I do
SQL.
understand, but I don't think so I can offer you more than 2K.
Yeah, okay.
So will you be
You are,
okay with 2K?
yeah, okay with that. No issue.
Okay, thank you. Uh,
Yeah,
are there any questions? So you will be okay with 2K, and
yeah.
then for how many days? Sorry, for how many months are you available?
I'm available for approximately 6 months, 6 to 7 months. Yeah.
Okay.
So
And when
I
can you
have a
join?
doubt. I can join from 12th of this month, I mean 12th of August. I have some work in
Okay,
between. Yeah.
okay, okay. Per day, how many hours can you work?
Yeah, I can work 3 to 4 hours, and eventually I can increase based on the requirement.
Can you work for 4 to 5 hours per day?
Yeah, I can. No issue.
Okay.
This is the work from
So
home work only, right? So I don't have to
yeah,
travel anywhere or and go to the
no, you don't
office.
have to. No,
Yeah.
no, you don't.
And do
Do
I
you
need
have
to
any
pay you
questions for me?
something?
No.
No, right. So, could
Do
you
you
tell
have
me
any
that
questions?
what exactly you guys are offering me? I mean, in terms of work, that will you give me a chunk of data in which I have to analyze, or you'll give me a
Okay.
training? As,
Let me tell you. You will be assigned a manager. Okay.
okay,
So they will guide you through every task, and they will also assign you tasks. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Is it possible so that I could work in night as well, based on my comfortability?
That you have to talk to your manager. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Basically, I guess it is okay to work at night, but I can't assure you that. So you have to talk to your manager about that. Okay.
Yeah, sure. No issue.
Yeah. Thank you. You
Thank
can
you.
leave the meeting.
Sure.
Apurva Agrawal.
Hello.
Yeah. Introduce.
Yes.
Turn on the camera. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, just a second. Yes. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Apurva Agarwal and I'm from Rajasthan. I have completed my graduation from Jaipur in BTech in the specialization of computer science. And after that, I have completed my post graduation from Jaipur only in the specialization of marketing and HR. I have 1 year experience in sales and 1 year experience in digital marketing. I have completed the certification course of data analyst from Azureka, and the skills which I have, those are Power BI, Tableau, Excel, Python. Yeah.
Oh, so right now you applied for data analyst, right?
Yes.
Do you have any experience regarding that?
Not internship experience. I have the project to show.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So this I have made the project of the Netflix on the Power BI, and this is I will show the Tableau, and here I have made some the key measures for required for the project, and here is the relationship which I have made between the tables, and this is my visualization which I will start explaining. As you can see, this is the plot in which I have shown the top 5 genres of the what, depending on the movies and the shows which is available on Netflix, which are the top 5 genres. After that, it is showing that content by year, means in which year how many movies and how many TV shows have been released. As you can see in 2000, it is 8 movies released, and TV shows 5 released. So this is how by keeping the cursor on the graph, I can see that how many types of the movie and TV shows has been released. After that, here you can see that how many subscribers by country are there. But on the red dot, you can see that how many subscribers are there. Yeah, after that, this is the donut. In this donut, it is showing that what amount of the TV shows and what amount of the movies are available on the Netflix. After that, it is here it is shown the cards. Here are the 4 cards. These cards showed the run time, which is in the hours. What is the run time? And here, like how many movies are there on the Netflix, and this shows that how many TV shows are there. And this is the average IMDb. This is here shown. This is all I have done by the DAX. I have used the DAX and the DAX formulas. Yeah, so this is my project.
Okay, okay, very good. So can you tell me through which platform did you apply?
Intershala.
Okay. So did you apply for paid or unpaid?
Actually, I didn't remember exactly right
So
now.
are you ready for an unpaid internship?
No, yeah. I need it will be okay if there will be some amount. I will be working very hard in this. It is okay if it is up to 2K also.
So based on your experience, I have to I offer you around 1K. Is it okay
Can
for
it
you?
be 1.5K if it can be?
No. Are you okay
Okay.
with 1K?
Yeah, I'm okay with 1K because I need experience right now. Experience is important. So yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
I like your enthusiasm. So
Thank
can you tell me per day how many hours can you work?
5 hours.
Okay, good. Uh, when can you join?
From Monday.
Okay. So do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I wanted to know that how many working days will be there. Like it will be 5 or 6.
It's 6.
It's 6. Okay. Rest questions I have listened the answers of other people also. So yeah, I just needed this
Okay.
answer. Yeah.
Thank you. You can
Thank
leave
you.
the meeting.
Oh,
Yeah. Any other questions?
no, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Abhishek ji,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, did you fill the form?
Yes, ma'am. I filled the form.
So what name did you mention in the form? Because I can't see your name here.
Abhishek, ma'am. Abhishek.
Just Abhishek, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once. You can share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Welcome. Okay.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. I'm
Yeah.
Abhishek. I'm a Java developer with a huge interest in blockchain as well as cybersecurity. And currently, I'm pursuing BTech third year in CSC department at Centurion University and have a CGPA of 9.0. Actually, my technical skills include I'm quite proficient in Java, and I also have an intermediate skills in Solidity and C, and fundamental knowledge about Python and JavaScript, etc. I am also have an hands-on experience with the frameworks and the tools like Flask and Web3 Node.js, and I also comfortable with working with Windows as well as Linux. During my internship, I completed a project called Project Strength Checker, which enhances the security. And I'm also done with the project called AI Photo Tagger. Uh, these two projects will um, enhance my skills about integrating AI with the Web3 tools, and improving my problem solving skills as well as working with the real time projects, man. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Can you show me any projects that you have done?
Yes, ma'am. AI photo tagger I have a project. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it is.
Ma'am, basically it is a project called AI photo tagger, ma'am. This allow users to upload multiple photos, and based on they're using a machine learning model called Cepher. By using TensorFlow, we're using Cepher 10 model, ma'am. After analyzing the model, we get a tags to the images, ma'am. Like basically in Cepher set there is a objects called 10 objects, ma'am, like a aeroplane, deer, this type. And also give the tags to the images based on their confidence levels. We used like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and we used a framework called Flask, ma'am, uh, uh, that you handles the user's input images and get requests. We use a machine learning model TensorFlow by to analyze the images and give tags, ma'am. This like, man, this app interface like this. We can upload images through this, and we get an this one. We get a confidence levels, and similar images are grouped together and classified in this format, man. This is the actual project what I have done.
Okay. So, do you have any past internship experiences?
Recently, during the summer, I'm done with an internship called in cybersecurity and ethical hacking, man.
You don't have any internship experiences in blockchain?
No, ma'am. Regarding blockchain, I don't know. But I completed blockchain. I also have certificates, ma'am. I'm
So,
looking for internships.
okay. So, through which platform did you apply?
Intenshala, ma'am.
Okay. So, so did you apply for paid or unpaid?
I'm actually, it's a paid, ma'am, not unpaid.
Okay. So, are you okay with an unpaid internship since you don't have any experience regarding the particularly in blockchain?
Ma'am, I need some minimum amount, ma'am, to upgrade myself. Basically, I'm a
Okay.
third year student. So please,
How much how much are you expecting now?
between the hello.
How much are you expecting? I'm asking you.
Ma'am, between 1.5 and 2K, ma'am, I am expecting.
Will you be okay with 1K?
Okay, okay, ma'am. I'm okay with that.
Okay. Do you have so how many hours are you available?
Ma'am, after my college time, I am available from 6 to 9, 4 to 5 hours, ma'am.
4 to 5 hours then. When can you join?
Because I have to. Ma'am, from 5th August, I will join.
Hmm?
From 5th August, ma'am. 5th August.
5th August. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah. Uh, are there any other questions you want to ask me?
Ma'am, this internship is regarding blockchain or what, ma'am? I'm getting internship based on blockchain, ma'am.
Okay. Right now, I saw that you have applied for blockchain.
Yes, ma'am, blockchain. As well as
Yes.
I also knowledge in I'm also knowledge in machine learning also, ma'am. But present now I'm working with blockchain. That's why I asked.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions?
No, ma'am. Only this question I have, ma'am.
Okay.
Which internship is this regarding to? Blockchain or what?
You applied in blockchain, right? So it has to be blockchain.
Okay, ma'am. So,
Okay. Now, do you have any other questions?
no, ma'am. Internship duration, like
Okay. Uh, More than 3 months. You have returned 4 to 5 months here in your Google form.
oh,
So I'm expecting to
okay, ma'am.
work. Okay. 4 to 5 months.
4 to 5. Okay, ma'am. Okay with it.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. You can leave the meeting now.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Sajid Mohammed. Sajid Mohammed. Last call, Sajid Mohammed.
Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. So, which domain did you apply for?
I'm a front-end developer.
Okay. So, tell me about yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Mohammad Sajid. I come from Savita College of Liberal Arts and Science. I'm still studying my BSc Computer Science degree, and I am really passionate about front-end technologies, and I have
In which year you are? In which year you
third
are?
year, ma'am. Final year.
Okay. Yes, you can continue.
Ma'am, actually, I'm very passionate towards front-end development, and I have learned HTML, CSS, JS, Python, as well as Django for it. Django for backend, Python, Django for backend, and I would like to contribute my own self to this internship. I'll contribute 100%, ma'am, because I have made a Netflix clone and many other websites, ma'am. Like with using HTML, CSS, JS, and I have not used Django and Python using it, but I'm familiar with it, ma'am. In the future, I would like to work with you, ma'am, in your company. Like,
Do you have any projects or any past internship experiences?
ma'am, I don't have any I have projects, ma'am, but actually it is at home. I'm right now in a hospital, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because of my health issues, I came to the hospital.
Okay. So I was asking, did you work, do you have any projects related to front-end developer? Did you do any
Yeah, ma'am.
projects related to
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
front-end
ma'am.
development?
I did from front end mentor. I took projects, as well as from front end mentor. I took projects, as well as from I did Netflix clone as well as Amazon clone, ma'am. I'm still learning React.js, Node.js, and other frameworks, ma'am. Bootstrap and other things, ma'am.
So you don't have any experiences, right,
No, ma'am.
regarding the front-end
No,
development?
ma'am. No, but actually,
Okay.
I had done. Actually, I had done freelance, maybe like 4 to 5 months. 6 months I did. After which I left it because of my. I left it because of my own studies, and there was a pressure, ma'am, because I am actually in hospital. Sorry,
Okay,
I'm
okay, I
actually in
understood.
hostel. No, actually, sorry. I'm actually in hostel. So I left it, ma'am, because
Fine,
one of my
fine, fine. I
one of my
understand.
friends. No, actually, thank you, ma'am.
Relax. Uh, how many months are you available for?
Ma'am, I am available for 6 months, ma'am. Strong 6 months.
Okay. Can you, are you okay with an unpaid internship?
Ma'am, according to my skill set and everything, I am actually the breadwinner of my family, and I would like at least a minimum of 10K a month, ma'am, because I have done many projects. I have done freelance client. I have not just projects. I have from freelance websites also. I have done my projects and I have given to them. So at least I want minimum of 10K, ma'am.
I don't think so. We are offering that much amount.
Ma'am, at least
Uh,
you can at least grow up to 5K, ma'am, last 5K, ma'am, because according to my own 100% self, I'm working, and like I'm giving 100%, ma'am, because I'm actually the breadwinner of the family, literally, and I'm putting my 100% effort, ma'am. So I would at least want 5K, ma'am.
I'm not offering more than 250.
Ma'am, at least you can go up to 500, ma'am, 500 to 1,000 at least.
It's not in my hands. You have to understand that this is not in my hands. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, 2K is good, ma'am. 2K
Okay.
is good. 2K is good, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, uh, okay. You have any other questions for me?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Like, when should I start the internship, and what will be the timings, and how many hours should I work? Like, is there any?
You have
Yes.
when can you join them?
Ma'am, I could join between like August 10th something, and like I can work between like 6 to 8 hours for sure, ma'am. Even I can extend my work like 10 hours also.
Okay.
Actually, anytime I can. I'm flexible. Like whatever you want at what time ever. Like in the night, even in the night, if you call me and ask me to do a project, I'll just
Okay. Okay.
finish it and
I understand. I
give it to
understand. I
you.
understand. Okay. Um, is there any other questions that you have for me?
Ma'am, actually, yes, ma'am. Like, how is the work environment, ma'am, up there? Because I would like to know. Is it like what are languages I'll be working on, ma'am?
Do you know Hindi?
Yes, ma'am. हाँ पता है, ma'am.
That's all you need. Uh, and English. I hope you know English
Yeah,
because we're
yeah, ma'am.
speaking.
I know English fluently as well as Hindi fluently, ma'am. I know
Okay,
both.
that's a good thing. All you need is those two languages. That's enough. And you will be assigned a mentor, and they will guide you through it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. One second. I'm not sure.
You will be you will be assigned a mentor, and they will guide you through your internship. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So like, when
Yeah.
will I get to know like how I'm selected
You
or not?
will will contact you later.
Yes, ma'am. Like,
Yeah.
will I get
Thank
an
you.
Gmail? Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you can leave the meeting. Uh, Ritik Singh. Ritik Singh. Is Ritik Singh here? Last call, Ritik Singh. Okay. Avinash Kumar.
Hello.
Avinash Kumar. Okay.
Yeah,
Turn on your video.
great. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Avinash Kumar, currently pursuing BTech in Hyderabad from Mother Reddy College. And I have applied for Android app development. Hello.
Yeah, you can tell me what do you do, what skills do you have, about your past internship, everything.
Yeah, actually, I'm completely fresh here. I have done several projects on the Android app development. Basically, I can show you right now. If you permit.
Yeah, show me. Uh,
No, I'm not able to see the share screen option.
you can't find it. You can see an arrow in the box where you can find the share the screen option, like in the tab. Did you find it?
Is it the top side or
It's
bottom?
not outside. Uh, just scroll beside. You can see besides your participant list, chat box, and reaction list. After that, you can find the share the screen option. Can you find it?
Then I'm figure it out.
Okay. Keep it ready. I'll get back to you again. Okay. Uh, Aman Kumar Yadav. Aman Kumar Yadav. Aman Kumar Yadav. Last call, Aman Kumar Yadav. Last call, Aman Kumar Yadav. Okay. Piyush Dalvi. Piyush Dalvi.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
you
is
are.
necessary to turn on the camera, so I need to
Yes.
join from my phone then.
Yeah, it's okay. You can log in from your phone and turn on your camera.
Okay, ma'am. Wait a second.
Yeah. You can log in from your phone. I'll get back to you again.
Okay.
And those who have joined and did not fill the form, I'm sending the form link again. Fill it. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute from one device, Piyush.
Hello, ma'am. Are you visible? Hello. Hello.
Yes, you are visible. Can you, introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Piyush Jalvi. I'm currently pursuing BTech in Datta May College of Engineering, which is Mumbai University based. Currently, I'm having a CGPA of 8.4, and I have applied for Android intern. Currently, I'm working at the Apps AIT company, which is based in Gurgaon, Haryana, for a Android intern only. There I have implemented two apps currently, and one app is also live on Play Store, in which I have implemented coroutines, Firebase, MVVM architecture, etc. As for my skills, I have learned languages like Java, Kotlin, Python, JSON, XML, SQL, C++, etc. And for my skill works, I have learned Android development in Jetpack Compose and also native also. And I am currently learning Kotlin multi-platform. Apart from that, I am also into designing and I have learned Adobe Express, Illustrator, Lightroom, Figma, Canva, and also Spline. And I also have an interest in augmented reality and virtual reality. For that, I have been learning Metaspark Studio. Other than that, I have learned DSA in Java, and I have a knowledge about database management systems and Firebase also, and operating systems. I'm currently in a Computer Society of India club as a tech team member, where we are working on an Android project for our committee. And I have done certifications from IIT Kharagpur for the programming in Java, and also from IIT Bombay for also Java only. Also, I have a knowledge of version control, that is GitHub, where I have uploaded various projects there also. So can I show my project now?
Yes, please.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
But let me show me from my phone only. So this is the Health Connect app. There is a problem in India that many hospitals tend to don't take the patient until and unless the patient fills the form. So for this purpose, I have generated an app which is a centralized app by the government only. Here the UI part and is done by me only, and the backend also. So to overcome that issue and to solve the problem of filling the form manually, it takes a lot of time, and sometimes patient can also have some serious issues with their health also, because the hospitals are not taking the form. So to solve that social issue, I have generated this app. In this, we have to only click the fill form, and we can directly use NFC to to fill the form. This NFC tag contains the information of the patient, which is already stored in the local database, which is on server only. Only the government has access of this database only. Can you see my camera now?
Just a second. I'm looking at the shared screen.
Can you see now?
Yes, now I can see
So
it.
this is basically NFC tag, and I have what I have done. This is a ABA card which is given by government only. So I have inserted the NFC tag inside this. So whenever I click the fill form and just tap the NFC tag to this app, so the form will be filled automatically. So in case a person does not have, means now I can't show you the functionality because I don't have NFC in this phone. So if I have NFC, then I can just tap the phone with the NFC card, and the form will be filled automatically. The patient data will already contain the older health records. Also, it's what's the patient name, Aadhaar card, and also his details like the health records. For example, diabetes, blood pressure, etc. So the data is also encrypted in the encrypted form only. And if we don't have to, if the person does not have, then we can use QR code. This QR code is also real time, and we just have to show this to the hospital's receptionist.
Okay.
And also this contains the appointments option. Then we can directly book appointments from this. This will only contain the appointments which are means by the authorized doctors only. And also we have the personal health record option and the medical report. Also we can directly access our ABA card from the app itself, which can be done using a government API.
It's really good project.
And
Yes.
also we have
Very
this
impressed.
SOS option where you can directly call the ambulance also here.
It's
Like
a
this.
really good. It's a really good project.
And I have
I'm very
also
impressed with
implemented this chatbot that we have to only add the symptoms here, and then we can get the home remedies and what diagnosis we can do that. But currently the API key is not means it has expired, so I can't show that. The app will crash now. I have used Gemini
Oh,
API for that purpose.
okay, it's really good actually.
And also
Uh,
we have means tried to patent and copyright this project also, because this project is not
is
yet
it patent?
implemented anywhere in the
Is it
hospital
patent?
industry.
Is it
What, ma'am?
patent?
Ma'am,
Is it patent?
we are undergoing the process to patent it.
Okay, it's really good then.
Mm.
I was asking, okay, that's it. You can stop sharing the screen. Can you tell me, how much are you expecting?
Ma'am, currently I'm working at the app city. I'm currently earning up to 5 to 10,000, so I'm expecting more than that.
Problem is, we are not offering more than 2K. Are you okay with 2K?
Ma'am, actually I'm in the last year of my engineering, so are you means the company is willing to provide any PPO or something like that?
I'm not sure. It's up to them.
Okay.
Okay. Right now, we don't have any plan of PPOs, but your resume is really good. So, um, our CEO might consider you. So, it's not up to me, it's up to them. Okay.
Okay. And what kind of
Uh,
projects are you currently working on? Can I get that idea about Android projects?
and I'm not working with that department right now. I'm
Okay.
working in a very different department.
Hmm.
But I can connect you if you are okay with 2K, then will welcome. If you are okay with 2K, then I can tell you about, like, I can connect you with your mentor, and then they will guide you through.
Okay.
You're okay with
But
2K?
ma'am, it can't be increased to up till 5 or 10K at least,
Uh,
because currently
I
I'm
don't
working at more than 5 or 10K only, because I'm
I,
currently
I
working on
do
hour basis.
understand. I do understand. But
Hmm.
right now we are just offering 2K.
And the company is working on real life projects, or there are client projects.
Both.
So do the other than that, the what does the company provide services like?
We'll tell you, it's basically a rewards program company. It's based on rewards program. And then we have CJM show. This is mostly a channel for jobs and everything. And and we need, and we can use your technical help if you're okay with it.
Okay then. Can you just
Okay.
do a talk with the management that if it can be increased to 5 or 10K?
Right now, I can't talk. I can't talk to them like about it unless you say yes to 2K. And after that, it's up to the CEO if he wishes to increase or not. It's really not in my hands.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Hmm.
So I was asking, are you okay with 2K?
Okay, currently for this month I can do for it 2K.
And you're available for?
I am available for 5 to 6 months.
Okay, 5 to 6
Hmm.
months.
And what is the
And
notice period here?
I'm not really aware of that. I'm sorry.
So I will get
Um,
the things in the offer letter, right? In
yeah,
details.
yeah.
Okay then.
Or I'll connect you with HR. They can clear your doubts or anything.
Okay then. That will
Okay.
be fine then.
Yeah, I have a few more questions.
Yes.
How many hours can you work per day?
I can work up to 3 to 4 hours.
Very good.
And means I
Um,
will be having my college in the daytime. So can I work at night or in the evening?
yeah, sure. It's flexible. So it's up to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any questions for me?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
So how can we connect it later on?
We'll contact you. We have
Okay,
your
ma'am.
details in the form. We'll contact you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Kannada Bhatta Bhattacharjee.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Piyush, you can turn off your video. Yeah. Yes, you are audible. Turn on your video.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. First of all, I am Shananda Bhattacharjee. I am pursuing my master's in economics. I am in the last semester, and currently, other than the economics sector, I am really interested in the field of data analyst. So I am looking forward to this opportunity, and I have done my basics of academics from the State Board of West Bengal, and for my graduation, I have done it in the subject of economics from Bethune College of Calcutta. For the certifications and projects, I have done a couple of certifications from Udemy as well as Coursera, and computer science application diploma also from the Webel. And for a project, I would like to show my academic project, that is a project based on Stata software, and I am skilled using Python, SQL, Excel, as well as Power BI. And I'm really keen to join the company and learn and gather the new experience with it.
Very good. So, can you tell me, do you have any past experiences?
No, this is going to my first experience or internship for that matter.
Okay. Do you have any projects or something that you have worked on that you can show to me related to data analytics?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please show.
So this is a very interesting project. It is done to measure how ethnic heterogeneity, that is both religious as well as caste heterogeneity, affects the provision of national old age pension, that is a public private good, which is there is excludability in terms of age and BPL card, but there is no rivalry among the beneficiaries. So this project is very new in this regard, as there has been not such extended work, especially in terms of Indian data, and the data set that we have used is itself is a new one, and is very nascent in for that matter. For the research, we have considered a data set of 9,479 individual of Indian origin. That is, they are the age above 45 and they are getting the benefits. So this data generally shows, analyzing the data, the main thing we have found, and the ethnic fragmentation index that we have used, get us to this conclusion that in India, the caste and religious heterogeneity definitely affect the access to pension, unlike other social goods, where we see a positive relation when the religious heterogeneity increases, and it decreases when the heterogeneity among castes increases. But on contrary to that, we can see over here, especially, and the benefit of this data is we have used the GIS mapping to visualize how things affect in real life. So on the left hand side, we get to see the caste heterogeneity mapping, and the right hand side shows how the pensions work in all the states except the Sikkim, because the data isn't available for Sikkim. And this is the religious heterogeneity, and the same picture from the pension. So it shows that as the caste heterogeneity increases, the benefit also increases among the beneficiaries. As in, the access to getting the pension. And as the religion heterogeneity increases, it falls significantly. Using all this, we have come to the dissection that it is actually a good measure by the government that which shows that as the level of education increases, the possibility of getting the pension falls significantly, as it is intended towards the poor provision. So it is a good way to measure it. And the main dissection is, as women in India get a lesser provision for the pensions compared to the male, and it is the OBCs who actually perform better when the caste heterogeneity increases. Similarly, it is the Muslim who it is the Hindus who actually gets affected the most with the detrimental impact of growing religious heterogeneity.
Okay. I got it. You can stop sharing the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell me how much you're expecting?
To be honest, I have applied for the unpaid one also, but as a joinee, I would like to have some minimum remuneration. But even if it is not possible, I am willing to work, as I really want to have that experience in the field.
Then you are ready for an unpaid internship.
Yes, I am available for around 4 to 6 months.
Okay, very good. And when will you be joining?
I can join immediately as of Monday.
Okay. And per day, how many hours can you work?
I can work 3 to 5 or at max 6 hours.
Okay, 3 to 6 hours then. So do you have any questions for me?
I would like to get a feedback from you, how you think that this went.
You are really good at presenting, and I think you will be a very great asset to the company if you join the company. So that's what I think, and I find you very enthusiastic.
Thank you.
So that's a really good point about you. So okay, we'll contact you later. Is there any question that you want to ask?
How will I get to know if I am selected or not? Is it over WhatsApp or mail?
Mail.
Okay. So I'm
Okay.
really hoping to get a like offer letter from you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can leave the meeting. Have a good day.
Hi team, this is Rocky. Hope everything is working fine. Just wanted to understand from my internal team, is everything going okay?
Yes, sir. Everything is going all right.
Do you want any help?
No, sir. I'm almost
Okay.
done with interview.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you making sure the people are filling the form?
Yes, sir. A few people did not fill the form even after I asked them, so they left the meeting.
No
I'm
issues.
not sure.
No
Yes,
issues.
sir.
Okay, then bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. So, can you, so the ones who have joined right now, please fill the form quickly. Those who did not fill the form, I shared it in the chat box. If I don't find your name in the form, I can't call your name. Mohammed Javed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me about yourself. Turn on your video,
Ma'am, actually,
and
here
I'll
a network issue. So can I off the screen?
and you have to turn on your video.
Okay, ma'am, I tried.
Yeah, turn on the video, uh, and then we'll continue with the interview. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
Hello, I am Mohammad Jawad. I am from Mumbai. I currently completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Engineering from Mumbai University. I have doing a solid foundation in web development. I also have a 3-month internship experience in web development, and I also do a course of web development in that company. And currently, I'm doing a course of data analytics.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any past experience in web development?
Yes, ma'am. I also have a 3 month internship experience. It's an unpaid internship, and I also do a course.
Okay. So you applied for web development, I can see it here. So tell me, do you have any projects or any PDFs that you can show that you have done this, your contributions?
Ma'am, I give a brief information about my project, but I cannot share the screen because I'm on mobile.
Okay, you have that tab, right? Besides participants, and you can scroll to your right, then you can find share option. You
Can
you
I
found
give a
it?
brief information?
You have to share the screen, otherwise how will I know that you have done it? Or not?
Okay, ma'am, I will try
Yeah,
it on. Okay.
yeah, share the screen. Uh, Scroll to your right, then you can find a share option within the rectangle.
Can I
You will see
continue?
the arrow. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Can I continue? Actually, I had some sharing screen problem, so I'm resolved it now.
Okay. You have to wait for a while because I'm going in an order. You did not answer for the first one, so you have to wait. Okay.
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 Ma'am, I'm joining
Bhavesh,
in laptop, then I will show you.
okay, then you have to wait. Then I'll take some others interviews.
Okay, okay.
You prepare whatever you need to prepare. Then I'll take yours. Avinash, are you ready?
Yes. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Turn on your video.
Yes. Yes. So I'll be sharing you the one calculator app which I developed recently. Can you
Yeah, can
see
you?
me? Right.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Here's the emulator. So basically, what I added, the other thing is कि suppose if you click for any operator options like division, the extra color will add up, pop up.
Okay, it's an app developer.
Yeah. And for the method purpose, I use if-else statement
Okay.
regarding the buttons. Yeah. There is a quick view of my main activity Java code. It is done on Java only, not Kotlin. I can switch with the switch options also, switch and break statement, but I prefer the if-else one only. If you want me to perform any some arithmetic operation, let me know.
Yes, you can show it to me.
I'm currently pursuing my BTech in second year in Hyderabad.
Okay. Do you have any past internship experience?
No, I don't have any past internship experience.
Okay. Um,
Actually, the share screen option was disabled on my desktop, so I couldn't share it that time. So sorry for that. And
okay.
you can.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any past internship experience?
No.
Okay.
I created
So,
one unit
okay.
converter app also, but I don't have the source code right now. I generally upload it on the GitHub, but I'm not able to find it right now. It's not in the GitHub also. That was my first app, the unit converter one. Basically,
Okay.
it converts
Okay.
from kg to pounds or like that.
Okay. I understood it. Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me through which platform did you apply?
App development only. I have a SDK.
I'm saying through which
Oh,
platform? Like,
internship.
yeah. Then did you apply for paid or unpaid?
Actually, I'm not able to collect it if it's for paid, but if it's paid, then it will help me to motivate for the purpose.
Are you okay if it is an unpaid? Because I've seen that I don't think you have much internship experiences.
Although I don't have,
So I'm going to
but
offer
I'm
you an
ready to
unpaid
learn and
internship.
execute it. And getting paid will obviously will motivate me for further development and for the development of the company.
What did you say?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm
Uh,
saying that if being paid will only help me to motivate myself and to work more for the company.
so you're not are you not ready for an unpaid internship?
It will be good if the first internship will be paid. As far I think so.
I don't think so. I can offer you a paid internship because you don't have much experience on this domain.
Okay.
Are you sure you don't want to you don't want an unpaid internship?
It can be converted to paid if performed according to the performance.
It's up to your performance, and I'm not the one who's going to evaluate you. Uh, your mentor is going to evaluate you. If you work good, there might be a raise or it might be converted into an into a paid internship.
Okay. Yeah, fine then.
Yes. So are you okay with an unpaid internship?
Okay, fine.
Okay. Uh, okay, I have a few more questions. Per day, how many hours can you work?
3 to 4.
Okay. And when can you join?
You can join immediately, yes, whenever you ask.
Okay. So I'm taking it as an immediate join.
Okay.
Okay. So is there anything you want to ask me?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay. Good. You can leave the meeting. Have a good day.
Thank you.
So I see someone has joined right now. Pratiksha Rajpurohit. So I'm for those who have joined right now, I'm sending a link in the chat box and they can fill it. Then only I can take the interviews. Otherwise, there will be no interviews. Okay. Now, Mohammed Javed. Mohammed Javed,
Yes, ma'am.
are you? Did you set up whatever you had to set up?
Ma'am, please wait 1 minute. I will join it on laptop.
Okay, then I'll get back to you again.
Okay.
Anurag Wag.
Yes, ma'am.
Anurag Wag. Okay.
Ma'am, hello. Ma'am, can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yes. Tell me about yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Anurag Wag. I am an engineering student. I am a final year engineering student.
Okay.
Um, my college, I am from Government College of Engineering, Amravati, and it's my first internship. I don't have any experience about that. So,
Okay. Is there anything that you can show?
ma'am, I'm from core branch, electronics branch. I made projects on electronics basis, like PCB designing and Wi-Fi. So I'm not as I'm not I
So
don't have
which
any projects to show you.
So you don't have any projects related to Java developing.
No, ma'am. I don't have any projects about Java development.
Okay.
Yes.
So, uh, can you tell me one second? Can you tell me what skills do you have?
I am learning. I know about Java. I am learning DSA in Java. I am right now learning DSA in Java.
In which year are you in college?
I am in final year now.
Okay, final year.
I am also doing my internship in core branch. This is my first internship in IT branches. So
Okay, so you have an internship experience. What? Tell me about your
yes,
experience.
yes. In my internship, I am designing PCBs and codings in embedded C coding. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
My internship is about core branches. In core, I am designing PCB, embedded C programming that programs the PCBs and much more.
Okay. So for how much time you'll be available?
I am available in 3 months or much more.
Okay, 3 months. And are you ready for an unpaid internship?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready for an internship.
Okay.
I just want experience, ma'am. That's why.
Okay. So you can okay. Per day, how much time you can work?
In per day, 5 to 6 hours, ma'am.
5 to 6 hours. That's a good thing. And for how many months you are available for?
3 months, minimum 3 months, ma'am. If you want to extend, then I will extend.
You can extend if you want after your experience in the company. For now, let's take it as 3 months. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Next, is there any when can you join?
Ma'am, from Monday.
Okay, Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any questions that you want to ask me?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You can leave the meeting.
Yes,
Have a
thank you,
good day.
ma'am.
Yeah. Mohammed Javed,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I will show you.
present whatever you have. And for those who have joined and I'm posting the link again in the chat box. If you don't fill, your names will not be called out. Mohammed Javed,
Yes, ma'am. Monday.
share the screen, please. I guess you need some more time.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, it's loading. Yeah, now it's visible. Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. This is my weather forecast app. You can search any city and check the weather of that city. Like I check the weather of Mumbai. It will show you the
Okay.
Mumbai weather, and you can select any Delhi, any other city. You can check the weather, and I also have other projects
Yes, please. So,
like like e-commerce website. I have a online footwear shopping.
hmm.
Yes, ma'am. This is my website for online footwear shopping. I have made a 3 icon home product about. You can check the home pages. Let's click on product there. This product you can sell and buy, and the information about product.
Okay. Very good. You can stop sharing the screen. And can you tell me about your internship experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any internship experience?
Yes, ma'am. I have a 3 month internship online experience. In
Okay,
academic
you have a
company, I
three
also
month.
do a course.
Okay, you have 3 month experience, right?
Yes,
So what did you contribute?
it's a unpaid, ma'am. I only training.
I'm not asking if it was unpaid or paid. I'm asking what projects did you do while you were in that
This,
company?
this
What
historical
was your
places in
contribution?
India. I made a web page of historical places in India, and this I will show you that weather forecast app.
Okay, very good. So did you um okay, through which app did you apply? To which platform did you apply?
Web development.
I'm not asking the domain. I'm asking through which platform did you apply for this internship?
Intenshala.
Okay, internship. And can you tell me, did you apply for paid or unpaid?
Ma'am, paid. I will apply for paid only.
So how much are you expecting?
Hmm, expecting 2 to 4K.
Okay. So we won't offer more than 2K. So are you okay with 1500?
And I will 2K. Is it possible that I will go for 2K?
Okay, 2K is 2K it is. Um, and when will you be joining?
From Monday.
When can you, how many months will you be available for?
Mm, 4 months, ma'am. Because I also doing a course of data analytics, so I will.
It's okay. I got it. And how many hours will you be working?
5 hours, ma'am.
So I'll take it as 5 to 6 hours.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. We-
Okay.
But I have a class of 4 to 5. I have a good data analytics class, so I will join from 10 hours, 10 to 3. Is it okay?
That you have to talk to your mentor because I'm not really aware about it. Okay, mostly as far as I know, timings are flexible. Okay,
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
yeah. Uh, are there any other questions that you want to ask?
Ma'am, how would I know that I will select it?
We'll contact you.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
You give an email or WhatsApp?
Through mail.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Bhavesh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Tell me about yourself.
Yes. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes. My name is Bhavesh Mawat, and I'm currently in fourth year of college. Like, I'm doing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Rajasthan Institute of Engineering and Technology. I'm doing Android development from my first year. Like, I'm in fourth year right now, so I have three years of experience of making Android application. And I also have 6 month internship experience. I was working on Android project over there. Like, I have implemented a lot of feature, like implemented UI enhancement of that UI, and implemented GPS feature also, geofencing also, broadcast receiver also, and yeah,
Okay. For which company did you work for?
that was a lot technologies private limited.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have anything to show?
Yes, I can show my projects, and one more thing, that I have also contributed to open source projects.
Okay.
Yes, I'm showing my screen. So here is my project, Arihant Sales. It is an Android application. Here is the UI of that application. And here is the code of that application. I have used Jetpack Compose and use MVVM architecture for this application. And here is the UI of that application. Like, and these all products are stored in Firebase storage, not in this Android phone.
Okay.
Yes, I have implemented Firebase database for this.
Okay, it's good.
Yes.
Okay. You can start sharing the screen. So, are you ready for an unpaid internship?
No, I'm not ready for unpaid internship because I have already did one internship and I have also freelancing experience. So I will not, like, I'm not fine with unpaid.
So, how much are you expecting?
Like, at least 5,000 or will I
We are
get
not,
5,000?
to be clear, we are not offering more than 2,000. So,
Yes. Okay, I'm fine with 2,000.
okay.
Yes. And how much work I have to give? How much hours I have to work?
That's what I have to ask. Work hours are flexible, so you have to give minimum 4 to 5 hours per day.
Okay. Okay, I can
You
give
can
that.
work more than that. If you can work more than that, that's fine by us. Then minimum
Yes.
4 to 5 hours.
Okay.
Okay. And how many months are you available for?
Yes.
How many months are you available for?
Yes, I am available for 4 to 5 months.
Okay, you're available for 4 to 5 months. That's a good thing.
Yes.
And okay. When can you join?
Yes.
When can
Yes,
you
yes,
join?
yes. I can join immediately. I can join from tomorrow or Monday. Anything from
Okay.
any time that you
Okay.
want.
That's a good thing.
Yes.
Good, good. Is there any questions that you want to ask?
No, ma'am. How much work? I only have one question. Like how much hour I have to give?
I told you minimum 4 to 5 hours you have to get. If you want to work more than that, that's up to the
Okay.
work or that's up to your mentor that you will be
Okay.
provided. Okay.
So, like on which project I was working, I will work in this internship.
So you will be guided by your mentor.
Okay.
Because everyone is assigned different projects, so that's not up to me. I won't be
Okay.
the
I
one
can.
who will
Yes.
be
Yes.
giving you a project. Okay.
I can also work on blockchain projects. Like I have just started blockchain development also.
What?
I am
What's
learning.
this?
I am learning blockchain development also using
Okay,
Solidity.
blockchain development.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
you're an enthusiastic learner. That's a good thing about you.
Okay.
We'll think about it. Okay. Uh, any other questions that you want to ask?
No.
Okay. Thank you. You can leave the meeting.
Okay.
Aman Kumar Yadav. Last call on Aman Kumar Yadav. Ritik Singh. Last call, Ritik Singh. I'm removing if you are not responding. Samyak? Samyak?
Yes.